How to balance chemical equations or balancing chemical equations easily. First, count the atoms on each side of the equation. So let us consider this equation. Here the number of sulfur is 8, oxygen is 2, the number of sulfur is 1, and the number of oxygen is 2. Here you have to remember that you are only allowed to change the coefficient. You can't change the subscript. Here the coefficient of S8 is 1, and here O2 is 1, and here SO2, the coefficient of SO2 is 1, but we don't write the 1. Here subscript is 8, the subscript is 2, the subscript of sulfur is 1, the subscript of oxygen is 2. So we will not change the subscript, we will change the coefficient that is written before, right? So let us balance. So here the number of sulfur is 8, so here 1. So to balance the number of sulfur, what can I do? I can multiply here by 8. That gives me 8. This 8 will come before this atom, that is here. So here, right? And this sulfur has come from here, so this 8 will sit here. If you put here 8, the number of sulfur is 8, but the number of oxygen will be 8 times 2, that is 16. Right? Now you have 16 oxygen. Look, sulfur 8, so sulfur is balanced, and oxygen here 16, but here 2. So if you multiply here by 8, that gives you 16. So this 8 must come before this oxygen, that is here. So 8 times 2, 16. Now look, 8, 8, 16, 16. So this is the balanced equation. Always use this sign in balanced equation, right? So let us try another problem. So you are only allowed to change the coefficient, right? You can't change the subscript. Here the number of hydrogen is 2 here, and the number of oxygen is 2. Here the number of hydrogen is 2, the number of oxygen is 1. So hydrogen is 2, so hydrogen is already balanced, so we need to try to balance oxygen. So here oxygen 2, here 1, so we need to multiply here by 2, that gives us 2. This 2 must come before this oxygen, that is here. If you place here 2, the number of hydrogen will be 2 times 2, that is 4, the number of oxygen is 2. So now look, oxygen 2 is balanced, but now hydrogen is imbalanced. So we need to balance the hydrogen. So here 4, here 2, you need to multiply by 2, that gives you 4. These 2 must come before this hydrogen, and this hydrogen comes from here. So 2 times 4, 4. 4 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen, 2 oxygen, 2 oxygen. So this is the balanced equation. So now sometimes you need to deal with polyatomic ions, and you have to count the polyatomic ion as one item. So look at here, the number of calcium is 1 here, the sulfate SO4, this is polyatomic ion, which is 1, then sodium here 1, nitrate, which is polyatomic ion, here 1, then calcium 1, here nitrate is 2, right? Then sodium is 2, and sulfate is 1, which is polyatomic ion. Now calcium 1 was already, calcium is balanced, sulfate 1, sulfate is balanced, sodium here 2, here 1, so you need to multiply by 2, that gives you 2. This 2 must come before this sodium, that is here. If you place here 2, the number of sodium is 2, the number of nitrate is 2, so you need to update the number of nitrate, that is 2. Now look, nitrate 2, 2, sodium 2, 2, sulfate 1, 1, calcium 1, 1. So this is the balanced chemical equations. So look at here, sometimes you need to count all the atoms, and you have to be careful. Look at here, here carbon is 1, hydrogen is 4, oxygen is 2, here carbon is 1, oxygen is 2, here hydrogen is 2, but here we have another oxygen, so you have to add here 1, that is 3. right? 3 oxygen you have here. Three oxygen, right? Now look, carbon 1 carbon is already balanced, hydrogen here 4 but here 2, right? So we need to balance hydrogen. What can I do? I can multiply here by 2, that gives me 4. So if you multiply by something, that something come before that atom, that is 2. If you place here 2, the number of hydrogen is 4, the number of oxygen will be here 2 and here 2, that is 4, right? 2 plus 2, 4. So look, now hydrogen is balanced, carbon is balanced, but oxygen is not balanced. To balance the oxygen, I can multiply here by 2, that gives me 4. These 2 must come before this oxygen, that is here 2 times 2, 4. Now everything is balanced. Okay, so this is the 4 steps to balance chemical equations. Thank you for viewing this video. Be well.